don't give a shit, man. I take it to their houses, walk up to their door, taking niggas chains. You don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm like Rick James. Smack him in the face. Don't give a shit. About to walk up in this bitch. Yeah, we hitting licks. Yeah, you niggas stupid. Talking all that shit, man. I beat your ass and I smack your bitch. Yeah, I got my nigga Lil AJ standing right next to me. Yeah, you know he look great. Yeah, he about to take y'all. Niggas keep AK land and we about to make you niggas fucking lay on the fucking ground. Yeah, you niggas cannot fuck with me. I don't give a shit, man. You know they call me Little G and A-B. Yeah, you cannot even ask me. I don't give a fuck, man. You niggas try to pass me. Yeah, I'm so fast in my little Ferrari, man. I'm about to go hard. Yeah, you niggas got Bacardi. Lemonade in your motherfucking cups and shit. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, you can't eat a dick. Got my nigga Cruz. Yeah, he eat your ass. Yeah, you niggas do not know. Yeah, he breaking glass. About to beat your ass. Taking to it, mom. Oh shit, man, I'm like Bin Laden dropping bombs.
Surfing and these bitches are top 30. Can't you see it's like meaning? Smoking on that green the same time.